Hi, I'm Dan Herlash, lecturer for the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater College of Business and Economics, and this is sales management. This feels like Groundhog Day. I've said this to the other classes too. It's here we are another week, and a lot of the same thing. But we'll get through this. Have faith, and I try to keep a positive attitude by this way, and it's maybe a little different than what a lot of people do, but I plan for the worst. I expect the worst, and then I hope for the best. So when I get more bad news that the governor's extended time or whatever happens, I go, well, I kind of feared it could be that bad, so not a problem. I'm prepared. Don't like it, but I'm prepared. Okay. And I think our attitudes is something that we really have to watch. It's hard. You're going to emotionally bounce up and down during every week. I had a very tough time this last weekend or this weekend, and today got some real bad news about some people that I'm close to, and it's tough. Okay, but we fight through it. We understand and recognize our emotions and what we're doing, and hopefully we can stay focused on what we need to do. So I just want you to know, first of all, I'm here for you. If you got a problem or a situation having difficulty getting things done, please let me know. Talk to me. We'll work through it. We'll find a way to make it happen. Okay? We're not going to leave anybody in the dust. There was also some interesting things that came out this week about pass-fail. And if it's not what a lot of people thought it was going to be. If you have a C minus or less and you choose pass-fail, you fail. So grades are important. And so it's important that you get this done. Don't get down. I'm working with people, and we'll make sure that you can get through this. And as you get to the end, talk to your advisor, talk to me about the class. We'll have the assignments out there, and you have some decisions to make as to how you want to do it. And I think that for some of you, you may want to do the pass-fail, but for most of you, you're probably going to want to stick with your grade. I would say that's probably going to be the majority. So anyway, feel free to contact me on it, and I'll try to help you in any way I can. Okay, thanks. So let's talk about this week. And this week I'm excited because we have our presentations. A lot of the partners are coming, so that's really great. Don't forget to do your peer evaluation after. Okay, so let's get that in. We're also going to be looking at some other things. So I just want to go through this here real quickly. This is the syllabus. And it's chapter 12 is what we're looking, which is all about motivating and rewarding salespeople. And I was very fortunate working in sales. I made more money than I ever imagined at the time. Now I see what they're making. I go, holy crap, I should have stuck around and did that even longer. But you know what? I got my share. I'm okay. And it was a lot of fun, and had some wonderful trips and things I went on. Met some of the greatest people I could ever possibly get to know, and they're still friends today. Because when you go on these kinds of salesperson, when you offer incentive trips and awards and that kind of thing, sorry, I had to turn my fan down because it's noisy. The top ones are usually because they're really good quality people. And you get to know those people, and you become friends with those people, and you learn more from them. So as you go on in life and your careers, pick the brains of the people that are being successful. That's something you need to do, and it's something I learned to do eventually. So this week, chapter 13 or chapter 12, week 13, don't forget we have the quiz, the last quiz, chapters 11 and 12. Do that quiz. Remember, I keep the top 5 out of 6 quizzes, so and you get to take it twice. And those quizzes have questions in there that are going to be on the final exam. So even if you get 20, a perfect 20 on the first time, do it again, because I'm going to keep the best out of 2, so it doesn't matter. So if you score 20 on the first one, you get an 18 on the second one, there'll be mostly different questions. And those will be things that help you to study. And you will still get the 20, even though you got an 18 on the second one. So it's not going to hurt you to do it, okay? I've also provided a study guide in chapter 14 so that you have that and you can take a look at it. I think I'll post one here in 13 too, in module 13, so you can see it. And then that'll help you for studying for the exam. Now, the exam is actually going to start on May 4th. So early next week, I will have it available for you. This exam would have normally finished up, I think, on the what was it going to be on May? Yeah, it was gonna finish up on the 11th. I've extended it to the 13th to give you a little extra time, but the exam will run from May 7th for you to May 13th, so you have plenty of time to do it and get it all done. Okay? It is going to be a open book exam. Okay? Open book, open notes. I am going to require the lockdown browser, and I know you can use another device and you can search the internet. What I don't want you to do is copy answers off the internet. Is that fair enough? I want you to learn the information, and you will learn the information by taking the exam the proper way, but you can use open notes on this and open book. So you'll be able to go through and find the right answers, and I think that way you'll cement in some of these answers in your brain. That's what I want you to know, okay? If you just copy and paste, you don't remember the answers. So please, open book, open notes is fine. You're not going to need the monitor, but you will need the browser. And please don't copy them off the internet. I'm going to ask you to just at least be honest on that, okay? I also want to remind you at the end of this course that I will be curving the course. And I will do that to make sure that we have a good outcome on this. So as long as you do your work and you get it in, there's no, and you put any kind of effort into it, there's no reason that you should have to worry about your GPA. Fair enough? So again, if you have questions or problems, give me a call. And I'm looking forward to seeing all these great presentations this coming week. I'm really excited about it. Thanks.